Hey everybody, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. Today we're going to be driving my Tesla Model 3 using hardware 3 running FSD version 14 Lite. We're going to be driving on this busy main street and maybe do some parking at the end. So if you guys are new to the channel, be sure to like and subscribe because I post videos like this one literally every single day. And if you guys are regular viewers of the channel, be sure to check out the channel memberships. It'll help support the channel just a little bit more and you get some awesome perks. So we're going to be starting off this video with a little left turn here. It's not that well lined up, or there's no lines, and it does it very well. It gets over to the right. We're going to be making a right at this this main street here, falling behind this Dodge Ram pickup truck, keeping a good distance and safely getting into the right turn lane. Slows down very smoothly, very nicely, honestly perfectly. And now we're going to be waiting for our turn to make this right. There are some pedestrians there, so it's going to be a little bit difficult. Let's see what happens here. It waits for its turn, sees what's going on. The pedestrians are now going to be crossing. And now we do got some traffic coming through. I'm just going to press the accelerator just a little bit to give me some visibility so I see what's going on. I don't expect to make a right here anytime soon. It is very busy, so I think I'm just going to let FSD kind of figure it out. And yeah. And while we wait, thank you guys for all the love and support you guys are showing on the channel, all the comments, all the likes. Let's try getting this video to 50 likes. That'd be pretty awesome. And yeah, comment down what you guys think of FSD, how it's been doing. I pressed the accelerator just a little bit there because I think we might be able to go. We are on the crosswalk, which I don't like. We don't want to be on the crosswalk, but I did press the accelerator, so I guess it is kind of me that did that. There are so many cars, holy. It looks like there was an opening, but it's just not safe to really do this right turn here. I think now we kind of got the chance. I'm not pressing the accelerator. FSD is making the right turn. Hugs the right there very perfectly. And now we're on the main street, going a little fast. Now we're actually going pretty much the speed limit. That was very smooth acceleration. We are in standard mode, so that's pretty good. We are perfectly centered in the lanes, doing a good job with the lane centering. We are going a little bit faster now. Any faster, I'm gonna switch it down to chill. We don't want to be speeding. We got to stay safe out there, guys. It's not worth it. And we come to a nice smooth stop behind this Mazda. Very smooth braking, very predictable, very smooth and comfortable. Keeps a good distance, at a good stopping distance. This is pretty much where I would stop personally. You're just doing a good job. And now we kind of just bake in the sun. I do have the AC on, and hopefully to really cool down my camera, because sometimes it will overheat when it's really hot, so hopefully that does not happen. The light turns green and we are accelerating very smoothly, very nicely, very predictable, centered pretty well, keeping a good distance, and just following the flow of traffic, which is really nice. So this is exactly what I want to see FSD be doing. We are coming up on a lot more traffic now. We're gonna see how it can handle these left turn merges. Light might turn yellow. It's turning red yellow. We were pretty close, so it's braking pretty aggressively. It's very smooth aggressive braking though. It's not too crazy. It's just like, you know, oh, we almost missed it, and it was pretty good, pretty safe, pretty predictable. Nothing too crazy. I've had it brake very, very aggressively before. If you guys watched my previous videos, the first video where I got FSD version 14 Lite, It braked extremely hard for a construction worker, which is really nice. How it's super aware of its surroundings, and I've experienced that before, and it's just that's usually rare. When it comes to just driving and stuff, it's very smooth braking and very predictable, steady, and linear braking. It's not like random pressure and stuff. It's pretty consistent. And while we wait for the light, you guys can see on the screen just everything that's going on around us. Just all the cars. It just sees all the lights. Sees this beautiful Mustang turning right. That sounds amazing. Sounds amazing. Maybe I should trade my Tesla in for a Mustang and make some Mustang videos or something. Oh, two Teslas there. That was pretty close. Maybe they're both on FSD. That's funny. And the same Mustang. Wait, was that did that Mustang just go right and did a U-turn just to pass the whole light? That's crazy. That is an interesting way to skip traffic. I don't know if that's, I mean, I guess it worked, but I don't know. I still want a Mustang though. That's pretty cool. We are going to be getting over to the left lane here. We do have a left turn coming up. Cars are coming in fast. Personally, I would get over literally now. Honestly, pretty much like sooner. But it does a good left turn there, or left lane switch. Perfect, nice. And that was really good. Now we come up onto some more traffic. Stop and go traffic is pretty perfect when it comes to FSD. So if you guys you know, coming back from a stressful day at work, you know, you're doing drives you don't want to do, whatever it may be, FSD could really help make your driving a lot better. It's pretty cool that FSD could help out people with disabilities, or maybe they can't be driving, they have some sort of disability, or maybe, like, you know, they can't drive like normally or whatever. FSD could really help. And I don't know if hardware 3 is where it needs to be for completely like driverless or whatever, non-supervised FSD. I don't think so. Definitely look into getting a newer Tesla. They're probably better. I don't have a newer Tesla, so I don't know. I totally want to get one day. Make some videos about the newer versions, newer FSD. But for hardware 3, it's good enough. It's good enough for me. But I do intervene, you know, a bunch of times. It's usually for minor things. Nothing too crazy. 12.6.4, there was some crazy stuff, you know. It kind of drove off the highway one time. If you guys go to my previous videos, you guys might find that. We are supposed to be getting into the left lane. Normal driving here, like normal people, they kind of just go to the suicide lane and kind of just build up in the left lane to make the left turn. FSD does not do that. Like this biker, he is going in the suicide lane just to build up in the left lane. This is kind of just how this left turn is. That's what I normally do, and obviously it's probably not the safest thing to do, going in the suicide lane like that, especially on a downhill. But it's kind of just normal driving behavior in this area, so it's kind of like something that most people would do. And it might be a little bit of a bad idea to kind of do it too late, but there's no cars, so I guess you could do it anyways. I'm gonna press the accelerator, get really into the intersection here to give as much visibility as possible to make this left turn. There are a lot of cars coming. This truck's also giving a lot of visibility issues with this. Lots of cars are lined up. We might be able, I'm going to press the accelerator just a bit just to quickly get out of the way because there are advance for the other traffic here. And we're going to be getting into this plaza and hopefully do some parking here. Get over to the right. And hopefully it parks in this plaza here, like right here. And now it's a little weird. That is that is very weird. We'll just do some auto park instead. I don't want to be bothering those cars there. That's kind of weird, especially when there's drivers in there. But this is the auto park. And yeah, auto park is pretty good. But thank you guys so much for watching. Got really close to that curb. I disengaged there. I don't think auto park did a good job there for that. They got really close to that curb. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe. I post videos like this one literally every single day. If you guys are new to the channel, yeah, be sure to like and subscribe. And if you guys are regular viewers of the channel, be sure to check out the channel memberships. It'll really help the channel out. And thank you guys so much. Have a great day. Stay safe and peace. See you guys.